Hello friends, this is Harith, and today I'm sorry for being so late. Today I came live, but I came live after 11 p.m. So, but right now I'm free and I want to talk to you all. And today I have demanded some money from the bloodstained man and their friends. So this is the organization which would help us, basically all the 10,323 group. And apart from it, I would say that suppose if we want to start a fight for these 10,323 people from Tripura, then we need some money. And definitely I have started an campaign for the fundraise. And today I have asked for the fundraise from the Bloodstained Man and their friends. That is an organization from America, and let me see if we can get any response from them. And I would like to say that that you do not worry at all. I'm working hard, and although we did not get a good response from that NDTV Ravish Kumar, the chief editor Ravish Kumar, but definitely I'm gonna connect to some leading and the spearheading journalists from Aaj Tak, India Today, and that Rajesh Sharma, India TV. So definitely we would get some good response. And partly owing to some health issues and partly owing to my job, I was not able to complete that task that much fast as I was supposed to do it. But you know that I'm also working, I'm doing a job. So but definitely I cut some time from my daily routine for you people. And today I have started an online campaign for 10,323 people, so that I could be able to collect some money for you people, and so that I could help you in another way. Like suppose if somebody from 10,323 people wants medicines and the money for the food, so definitely I would love to help them, provided that I would get that money. In case if I get that money, definitely I'm gonna help you. And because I don't want to stop at a particular point. If I'm not able to fly, I would run. And if I'm not able to run, I would walk. And if I'm not able to walk, then I would crawl. So definitely, so I just want to ask you a few things. So I need few people from your 10,323. Can you provide me somebody who would be able to do some digital marketing and the content writing, and then who can do some IT sort of work, so that we would make an online campaign from all over India, an online campaign for all over the world, where we could be able to collect some money for 10,323 people. No doubt, I have started this fundraiser for Bloodstained Man and their friends. I've asked money from them and see if I could be able to collect some money for you. But let me see if that is possible. And I have completed almost 70% of my drafting, which I have to send in United Nations and international human rights. So I'm almost done with that project, because I need to check all the points grammatically, and I need to check all the facts. Because when you are sending some sort of letter to international human rights organization, then you need to get your facts checked. So I'm working on the facts, and I've studied all the judgments. And um, I will be releasing all the press notes which I have made by 16 on 16 of August, sorry, 16 of July. I will be sending all the press notes to the leading and the spearheading media agencies like PTI, Press Trust of India, ANI, Asia News International, and Aaj Tak, India TV, NDTV. I will be sending all the press notes which I have made and which I am making to all the leading journalists of India. And you need to have some patience, because 15 days, a fortnight ago, 15 days back, when I came into the cognizance of your 10,323 Tripura scam. So I ask you time between 30 to 90 days. Okay, so 15 days have been passed. I'm almost done with that press note part, and definitely I will be sending in the next 5 to 6 days. I will be sending all the press notes to the leading media agencies, and as I told you that also, moreover, I had I have gotten my appointment booked for the next month, somewhere between 16 August to 20 August. I will be meeting the Education Minister of India on behalf of you, on behalf of Tripura, 10,323. So definitely, I also need one or two people from your family also, and so by 16 August, 17 August, or 18 or 19, I will be meeting to the Education Minister, and definitely I will be talking about you people and the sufferings you have been facing. Uh, and apart from it, I would be saying that I'm almost done with the press note parts, and I'm collecting all the data of all the ministers and all the media persons and their personal email IDs, and I'm trying to connect with them via their personal numbers, so that I could provide you all the person numbers, and you could also send them WhatsApp messages. So definitely, it would be unethical of me to say that the task will be completed in 1 week or 2 week. You know, it will not be elegant of me, I would say. It will not be elegant of me if I say that I will get your task done within 10 days or 20 days. No doubt it will take around 30 to 90 days, and 50 days have already been passed. So definitely I'm working on the press notes. I'm trying to raise some money for you people, and I'm also making an online campaign. And I just want to ask you that uh, could you provide me anybody from 10,323 family who would be able to make an online campaign, fundraising campaign? Because if somebody from the family would be able to guide me and would be able to torchbear me that how to start an online campaign, because I'm not a techno expert, I'm a techno weak person. I have an idea, I have plenty of ideas, so that I can be able to raise money for you. And definitely, I've you see under my video that is a fundraiser for blood-stained man and their friends. So the meeting would be meeting with the health minister, with the education minister, would be on 16 of August or 17 or 18 August next month. And I have started an online campaign for the fundraising. Number three, I'm almost done with that press note, and I will be releasing those press notes to all leading agencies by the next week. Okay, so because I need to check the grammar part also, na. In case if I need to send, if I will be sending these things to national media, so I should not be having a single grammatical error in that. If I'm sending the documents, your documents, to United Nations, if I'm sending your document to international human rights, so I should not be committing a single grammatical mistake. Instead of comma, if I'm using a full stop, then it will not be okay, right? So like, I'm checking all this stuff, I'm reading about 10,323, and I'm talking to some center ministers, cabinet ministers, and I've taken appointment from them, and I will be meeting by next month to the Education Minister of India. And I've done with the press note part. And I'm sending by the next week. I'm sending all the press notes to the all leading agencies of India like PTI, Press Trust of India, ANI, Doordarshan, Aaj Tak, India TV, G News, okay, NDTV. And one more thing, I'm asking you that can you provide me a one or two person from the family itself who would be able to who would be techno expert and who would be able to do that thing for me. Like I want to start a online campaign, very genuine, in a genuine way, online campaign, because there are some technical flaws with me, as I'm not from the technical field, I'm not from the IT field. So I hope you people understand, and I just raise my hand, see, like this, that I just salute all the 10,323 people, because hail to them, and glory be to their family, glory be to their patience, glory be to the strength, uh, and definitely we will be winning this fight in next 70 to 80 days. Uh, we will get our voice reached over there to the center media and to the center cabinet ministry. But you need to have the patience along with yourself, right? I'm also 32 in age, and I'm doing a day job, and still, like, I'm with you, and I can understand your pain and the feeling and the griefs, because the person who himself suffered a lot in the past, he would be able to understand the pain which you are carrying in your heart and the sufferings which you have been facing. So like कौन किसके दुख से रोया, हर किसी को अपना ही कोई दुख याद आया. Even I can feel your pain, I can understand your pain. So that is why that I'm with you, and I'm not gonna leave you in any way, in any time. Okay, sometimes people are not bad, sometimes circumstances are bad. So if I'm not responsible